just because somebody makes a claim that they're a professional yard drainage contractor, you still have to be careful. When hiring someone to solve a yard drainage issue, know this fact: the more stone, the better the drain. The more soil that's excavated and removed from the property, the better the drain. If they show up in a extended van, a cube van, and they have no means to remove dirt, don't hire them. They're not going to excavate enough dirt, and they're not going to put in enough stone to build an effective French drain system. For a professional French drain system done by professional yard drainage contractors, licensed builders, we have a resume that's really long, over 30 years of experience. We build commercial outdoor living spaces, commercial outdoor kitchens, both residential and commercial water features, and we know indoor plumbing, being licensed builders of homes. We build a hybrid system using all these components, tricks, for better performance and for a system that lasts the homeowner the entire time that they're going to be in that home. Give us a call if you're in northern Macomb County, Michigan, northern Oakland County, Michigan, St. Clair County, Michigan, or South Lapeer County, Michigan.